Hi Andy from DriNOW. I can't wait to get started on this job. We've got a really lovely church hall in Kirby, just outside of Middlesbrough. And what we're going to do, we're going to give the floor a really deep clean. We're going to take off the surface of the old coating where it's scratched and scuffed and things like that. Remove any fine scratches and things, and then get it recoated up so it's back in service for weddings, for events and things like that. So I'll show you the progress along the way. Thanks for watching.
Okay, here you'll see us walking along the floor with a rotary machine using a specialist cleaning product to agitate the chemical into the floor, give it a really good clean, deep clean, decontaminate it, ready for the next part of the process. As you can see, we're also extracting it using a wet vac to make sure that the floor is nice and dry. It's also really important that all of the edges and all of the corners are completed as well to avoid any contamination right onto the edge, which could possibly cause the next part of the process, the sealing part of the process, to fail.
Okay, so the floor's now been deep cleaned and it's had the top layer shaved off with a very fine sanding abrasive, so we're pretty much ready to start getting the first coat of lacquer on. So yeah, see what it looks like.
So the client was over the moon with the floor. They loved it. I hope you do too.